Toast, English muffins, biscuits, all classic and fantastic ways to make a breakfast sandwich, but today we're gonna mix it up and use pancakes instead.
Stack them any way you'd like. Sausage patties, eggs, bacon, cheese, the possibilities are endless. So let's start with the trick for making perfectly sized and evenly shaped buttermilk pancakes. For the batter, combine buttermilk, egg, and melted butter together, mixing them well. I use my measuring cup to reduce cleanup. Call me lazy. In a large bowl, combine flour, I use gluten-free, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Mix that together and combine it well. Then add in the buttermilk mixture. A spatula or a whisk will work well for mixing it together. Expect it to be a thick batter, and it will cook up tall, airy pancakes with great structure for handheld breakfast stacks. On to the bacon. Cooking the bacon first will naturally grease and season the pan for the pancakes and the eggs. However, if you want to save time, you can cook each item in separate pans. That works great too. Once the bacon is crisp, transfer to paper towels, then keep it warm in a 200-degree oven while you move on to the pancakes. 3.5-inch mason jar rings create nicely sized breakfast stacks, an inexpensive hack for pancake or egg molds. To prevent the pancakes from sticking, I just moved them around the griddle so that they were nicely coated in the bacon drippings. Then scoop the pancake batter into each ring. When browned on one side, flip them over and remove the ring using tongs. Work in batches, keeping the pancakes warm in the oven along with the bacon. Save the eggs for last since they cook so quickly. I made scrambled egg white and over-easy options. The rings keep them evenly shaped and can be flipped and removed just like the pancakes. Now it's assembly time. Pancake, egg, bacon, cheese, another pancake, drizzle with maple syrup, and oh my. And when you cut into the middle, the satisfying flowing yolk of the over-easy egg.
So now as I see it, the biggest decision of the morning is whether to drizzle it with maple syrup and eat it with a fork and knife, or just pick it up and eat it like a regular sandwich.
You can find this recipe for breakfast stacks at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.